guess what? The sweetest girl in town. But who's the greatest chef?
The man with the pan.
Okay, big shout out to the man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting, real fast for you. I'm going to do one of the favorite Filipino dish, pork and peas. Put on the stove first, and in my hand I put in about half tablespoon of olive oil. Okay? And while the thing is heating up, I'm going to first chop my pork. Okay? For a pork tenderloin, you could use a pork shoulder, you could use everything. And about a 3/4 piece of pork. Notice how I use my knife. Now I don't lift it up and just keep my knife really low so that I don't cut my fingers. Push this on the side. I get a couple garlic, 2 cloves garlic, and the garlic I chop into small pieces. Chop it all up, put it on the side. Then I get my onions, about half onion. Gonna slice it out, just about now. Dump in my garlic, dump in my pork, just like that, and I kind of like stir it around. Okay, while the thing is cooking, I get about half red bell pepper. Okay, slice this baby up to it. And again, you can use any kind of pork. You can use pork shoulder, you can use pork chop, you can use pork belly, you can use any type of. So I'm going to add in my round onions. Then I'll add in my bell pepper. Okay? And then I'll mix it all up. Bell pepper, onions. Now you notice I use a metal spoon. But don't use this to a regular pan. The man in a pan, it's so durable that I even use a regular spoon. The thing is going here. I add in a can of tomato sauce. I add in a couple bay leaf. And here you go. Club shoyu, local shoyu, sold exclusively at KTA. So, Hilo product, right? A tablespoon of that, okay? Amazing, it's fish sauce called patis. And I love it so much, I'm going to dump a tablespoon of patis. Mix it all up, gonna let it simmer for a while. And inside here, I put a butter of pimento, the water and all, okay? And inside here, I just put about a 6 to 8 ounce of peas right inside here, okay? Before you let it go, you put in some water. Just about a half cup, okay? Then you let it boil for a while. Okay, I think it's just about done. There you go. Let me scoop it all up in here. There you go, man. Pork and peas. Let's see how it tastes. The burger looks so no. Here you go, man. So hot. It's so good. In Filipino, we call these naimas, like naimas. So, for all of you out there, mahot ko kayong lahat. That means I love you all. We'll see you next week. Naimas for another Man and the Pan. Aloha.